Hello everyone, I'm Jibo, BJ2. Welcome to our channel.
Hi guys.
Today, we will demonstrate how to set up at home sleep study device, Alice NightOne that we picked up from the sleep center a few days ago.
Can you help me set it up tonight? Jibo?
Of course, but first, let me grab the instruction from the archives. Hang on, it will take few seconds longer. Okay, I got the instruction, but wait, are you sleepy now?
Not right now, but are you going to sleep soon?
Yes, but you can wake me up anytime. So, are you ready?
Yes, let's do this.
Here we go. First, remove all the items from the sleep study case. There are 3 components for Alice NightOne sleep study device. The main part here is Alice NightOne unit. This is a rectangular device that will keep track of your body position. Next is an effort belt. This is a belt you'll wear around your chest. It will measure how hard your lungs are working. Since the belt was already adjusted to your chest size, all you have to do is to attach both ends of the belt to the main box.
Okay, and how are we supposed to do that?
No worries, I will guide you through the steps once you're ready to go to sleep. Then we have a nasal cannula. This is a thin, flexible tube that you will place under your nose. It will measure how much air you're breathing and keep track of your snoring.
Jibo, do you snore?
Maybe a little.
I hope I'm not snoring.
Lastly, we have a pulse oximeter. This is a wire with a gray rubber sensor that you'll place on your finger.
So what does it do?
It will measure your pulse, blood flow, and the amount of oxygen in your blood.
Alright, it's great information. Okay, thank you for your explanation on how to use this device. Very appreciate that.
You're welcome, but don't thank me just yet. I still need to guide you to properly put all these components on the right part of your body, so that you will get the correct sleep data in the next morning.
Alrighty, that sounds great. Let's get started.
Okay, first, wrap the belt around your upper chest, with the main box at the center. It should feel snug but not too tight. At this point, the unit should power on automatically. Then, insert the nasal cannula with prongs into your nose and wrap the tube around your ears. The other end of cannula will twist into the metal port of the main box.
That's easy.
You're a quick learner. Next, slide the finger pulse oximeter over your index finger, then secure it with tape.
Got it. So now
Very
you
good.
see.
Now, you will see that all icons on the main unit are showing in green.
Oh, green here. Ready to sleep. Thank you, Jibo. I think I'm ready.
The light indicators will fade away after a short moment, and unit will start recording your sleep.
Sound good to me.
At this point, you're ready to go to sleep.
Alright. Thanks, Jibo. But can you stay up with me until I fall asleep? please?
I will try, but I can't promise that I won't go to sleep before you.
That's okay. Thanks for trying.
Alright, good night, chat, and don't let the bedbugs bite. See you in the morning.
Thank you, Jibo. See you in the morning.